Hello, my name is Nur Iqbal. So today I'm going to present my presentation about seed development. Seed germination is the process by which a plant grows from a seed. It begins when the seed absorbs water, causing it to swell and the seed coat to soften. This triggers the embryo to begin growing and eventually emerging from the seed as a seedling. Factors that can affect seed germination include water, temperature, light, and oxygen. Proper seed storage can also help to ensure that the seeds remain viable and will germinate when planted. Next is factors affecting seed germination. Seed germination depends on both internal and external conditions. The most important external factors include right temperature, water, oxygen or air, and light or darkness. Next is internal factors affecting seed germination include presence of auxin, reserve food, completion of dormancy, and viability of seed. So now we are entering external factors affecting seed germination function. The first one is temperature. Moderate warmth is necessary. Optimum temperature for most of the crop plants is around 25 to 30 Celsius. The germination in most cases stops at 10 Celsius and 45 Celsius. Next is water. Water makes the seed coats soft. It is also provides hydration for the essential activities of protoplasm. And lastly, it is translocation of food materials and rupturing of seed. And then oxygen. It is required for aerobic respiration till the time seeds develop leaves, acts as a source of energy for seed growth, and plays an important role in the germination of seed for metabolism. Lastly, light or darkness. Most of the seed requires sunlight to germinate into a seedling. Now we are entering internal factors affecting seed germination function. The first one is presence of auxin. During germination, a chemical called auxin develops in the seeds which stimulates germination. In addition, to increase another substance known as heteroauxin develops in some seeds. Both auxin and heteroauxins are called growth regulators. Then presence of preserved food. Foods are stored in the endosperm, monocot seed, or cotyledons, dicot seed. Germination is possible if the seed can provide with necessary food to the embryo. After that, completion of dormancy. Inhibit growth of seed due to some internal causes. So during dormant period of seed, complete breaking of dormancy must be essential. Lastly, viability of seed. Viability refers to the seeds whether a seed is alive, dormant, or dead. If the seed is not viable, it will not germinate. And then we are entering stages of seed germination. This is the complete process of seed germination. Stage 1. Imbibition of water. Stage 2. Emergence of radicle. Stage 3. Growth of plumule. Stage 4. Rupture of seed coat and emergence of cotyledons. And lastly, stage 5. Development of embryo exists into seedling. Okay, this is the process of seed germination. When the seeds start to germinate, the radicle grow from the seed to find water and minerals from the soil. Then, once the seed coat fall on the ground, the radicals start growing longer underground to find more water and the plumule grow above ground for the lights and air. After that, leaves start growing for the photosynthesis and the cotyledons getting smaller as the food inside them is used up. The seed coat that falls on the ground are then disappear. This is types of germination. We have two types of germination, that is apigeal germination and hypogeal germination. Apigeal germination. During the apigeal cotyledon is pushed out of the soil, this happens due to rapid growth and elongation of the hypocotyl. For example, castor and bean. Then, hypogeel germination. During hypogeel germination, cotyledons remain below the soil due to the rapid elongation of epicotyl. It mostly occurs in monocotyledonous seeds, for example, maize. That is all from me. Thank you for watching. See you. See you.
To the dim one. No pink, no green.